Hello class, Wilson I here. This is week 3 of our Java 1 class. This week we are working with APIs and pulling JSON data into our application instead of having locally inputted in like a week prior. So the API that are to extend my project from last week, it was a weather application. And I decided to use this weather API here. It's called World Weather Online. They have a free weather API and a premium weather API. I didn't really look into the premium one to see what else it could do, but so I just used the free one. And this is where I got my JSON data from to display in my application. There we go. So just kind of go through the code here, just creating the layout, making a field, a search field, and a button for when you put your zip code in. It should then check to make sure the zip code is correct, and then it calls the weather method and goes on from there. Then the display gets added on, and then the API gets called, and it gets the weather from the web page, and then it pulls the data to the API or from the API. And then displays it like such. So we have description. This would be if it's cloudy or sunny or whatever, get the temperature in Celsius, Fahrenheit, humidity, wind direction, or wind speed and wind direction. This actually sets the text, and then this actually sets the weather info on the screen. So that's pretty much a brief overview of the code. Going into the application, my weather application. So I forgot my zip code, 89140, and it is sunny, 24 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 humidity, wind speed 4 out of the south. I like to see if this would get what can we call it? Let's see, just get local weather. Alright, so this is what my local weather says for 89177. Let's try that. So it's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close for being the most part. I have never checked that before, so I thought it was kind of funny. So what I think about JavaScript so far, it's got its own language, it's something else to learn, and it's all based from when we started back in, I don't know when, but when we were doing just JavaScript, it all seems to be based off of that, and it branches off from there. So it's something else to learn, and I like developing for the Android device, mainly because there's no developer fee and you can put as many applications you want on your device. I'm finding out, so that's cool in a sense. As for problems this week, there wasn't many problems. It went together smoothly. I actually worked on it right away over the weekend, so I wasn't beating my head against the wall like I was running out of time. So that's my application in a nutshell. Next week, hopefully we'll continue on and get to add some more features into my application here. Alright, so this is Wilson again, going over my week 3's Java 1 application.